Now it's time to install the Quick Connect fitting. Cleanly trim the end of the cable. Slide a flat washer and the Quick Connect inset fitting onto the end of the cable and slide the fitting into the post. The special spring-loaded Quick Connect jaws only allow the fitting to slide in one direction and will automatically grip when the direction is reversed. If you make a mistake, don't panic. You can use our Quick Connect release tool. First, loosen the cable by removing the washer nut on the threaded terminal fitting. Then, at the Quick Connect post, use the release tool to disengage and remove or readjust the position of the Quick Connect inset fitting.